welcome to all my boos, booskies, boo things, and booettes. It is 2022. And ooh, Chad, these cabinets looking like the ghetto, so I need some organization done in them, okay? There's no rhyme or reason to them. So come on, guys, and go to the store with me so we can get this together, honey. Let's go. Okay, guys, I am in the car now. It is time to go get organized. I'm going to head over to the Container Store. It is snowing outside, so I'm all bundled up. My goodness, it's cold here in Ohio. Whew, so let's go get organized, guys. So I am super excited about this new year. I am looking forward to all of the things that are going to come my way this year. I know this is going to be a year of some blessings for me, so I'm so excited. So at the beginning of every year, or usually people do it around springtime, they do spring cleaning, but let's start at the beginning of the year. So I need to just get a little bit of organization in the household. I just want to see more things neater. Oh, when you have a clutter-free home, your mind is clutter-free too. Usually, how your house looks is usually how your life looks. So, if your house is a mess, usually your life is a mess. At least that's what they say. So let's get it together. My house isn't a mess, but my cabinets, they have no rhyme or reason to them. Stuff is just everywhere in there. So I just want to get it a little bit better. It is cold out here. How's everybody coming along with their mindsets? How's everybody doing with being positive and staying positive? You know, it comes a point in life where you have to be accountable. People have to take accountability for the way that their life is. A lot of people want to sit in pity and live a pitiful life. You know, it comes a time in life where you have to grow past your emotions. You have to grow past your fears. You have to grow past your anxiety. You have to, especially if you want to be in a better place in every area of your life. If you want to be, you know, if you want to be out of the state that you are in, you got to do better. You got to think better. You got to speak better. You can speak so negative over yourself so easily, but you don't want to take the discipline to train yourself to be more positive over yourself. You know, your words create the world that you live in. Your words have so much power that they form and shape the world that you're in. So if you don't like the world that you're in, you need to change your words. You gotta change them up. You gotta live better. And in order to live better, you gotta think better and you gotta speak better. God made us in his image. God created the world by speaking things into existence. We have that same power within us. He gave us a mind that can imagine things. That's how cell phones and houses and streets came forth. It was an idea. Everything starts in your mind. So you have to use this beautiful instrument, the mind that he gave you, to do what you want it to do for you. Or else your mind will just go rampant on you. It'll think only in all negative things. So I see my sister. Where's she going? She thinks she grown. Alrighty, guys, we made it to the Container Store. Let's run up in this mug. Okay. Those are really nice, but not what I'm looking for. Ooh, these are nice. Not what I'm looking for. I don't like the handles. Y'all, I love the Container Store. My goodness. I just love the atmosphere, everything about it. They got some cool gadgets in here. You can really do some awesome things to your house. Okay, but here's the containers that I came in for. They're actually shoe boxes, kids' shoe boxes and regular women's shoe boxes. They also have a larger container considered a men's shoebox and this shallow shoebox here. I didn't prefer those two, but you also have two other options. So let's get to the counter so we can check out, guys. So these are the containers that I went and got from the Container Store. You guys seen I picked up the kid size shoebox, and I also got the regular size shoebox as well. So of course I'm not going to use these in the shoe department, but in the Container Store, all of the containers that they have for the inside of your cabinets don't have a lid, and I want a lid on them. So I'm gonna go with the clear stackable ventilated shoe boxes, okay? In kid size and adult size. Okay guys, I'm gonna let mostly the rest of the video just speed up and slow down in areas where needed. Just follow along with me and help me get organized. Okay, once you get all your food out of the cabinets, make sure you guys go through and wash these containers. They are shoe containers, so you're going to be putting food in them, so make sure you clean them before you add whatever items you're going to add in there. And yeah, let's go. I really enjoyed making this video. It is really nice and soothing, and it settles the mind to become more relaxed and organized. So I really think you guys should give it a try. So the actual cabinet that I am doing here is the snack food cabinet, aka junk food cabinet. Y'all don't judge it, girl, okay? I got a sweet tooth. You would think that I have a house full of kids, but I don't. I have one child in the house, and she is a junk food junkie too. So, you know, I gotta have my to-go snacks, okay? I gotta have my to-go, on-the-go snacks all the time. Y'all, I am really loving these containers. These were the perfect ones when I was looking at them online. I'm like, yeah, they look way better in person, way neater, way more luxury. I love that you can see in them. They have little tiny holes on the side, so that the product is ventilated, or your shoes would be ventilated. But so that's pretty cool. And it has a lid. And don't forget, guys, that they are stackable as well, so you can stack them up as high as you want. They're pretty cool. I like them. Okay, yeah, so don't judge, guys. I know y'all see all this stuff, but you know, I do share. I share. It's 2022. It's time to share, but yeah, you know, this stuff lasts a long time, you know, like a week or two. Oh, don't play with your girl. Period, okay? A sister be needing a snack or two or whatever. Okay, see, so looky here. I got every kind of candy bar for people who can have nuts. See, I'll be thinking about people when I be out at the store. Everybody knows that I am allergic to all nuts. And so these are for guests that come over, you know, that can stay a little bit and they can enjoy a little snacky or two. So this is the guest bucket, you know, that, you know, if you can have peanuts, you can have some, okay? Period. I'll be thinking about y'all. So this one right here is the movie night bucket. Even though I don't watch a lot of TV. Matter of fact, I probably only watch about an hour or two of television a month. But yeah, it would be great for you guys who like to sit in front of the TV and get your snack on. I'll be right in front of my laptop and getting my sermons on. Look how neat that looks, guys. I am so proud of myself. Okay, organization queen 101, period. Y'all better get your organization skills up. All right? You know, head over to the Container Store and get your life together. For real. Oh, I'm just cleaning out the cabinets and just pine soling them down. Too proud. Guys, look at these cabinets. Ooh, looks like I just moved in. Period. Okay, guys, y'all remember what those cabinets looked like before. I want to thank you again for stopping by, watching this video. Make sure you comment below, like, subscribe, and share this video, and share some of your ideas of how to get your place organized this year. All right, bye, guys.